We are at Commerce 429 building 700. Same as 800. Tied onto 4-inch vertically. Come up with a 4x3 sanitary tee. Coming over with a 3-inch 45. Another 3-inch 45 to straighten up. Laid down a 3-inch combo up to a 3x2 combo for a vent. Caught the mop sink that's going to sit in the warehouse area here. Huge warehouse. Going down with 3-inch. Throwing a 3x2 combo down. Catching a drinking fountain. It's going to sit in the warehouse. Reducing it down to 2-inch. Catching a break room sink. That's going to sit in the office area in here. Over here, I installed another 4-inch sanitary tee. So down inside there, I got 2 test balls, one 3-inch and one 4-inch. Got a 4x2 coming, catch a stack for a lavatory. Got a 4x3 combo laid down for a water closet. Another 4x3 combo laid down to catch the other toilet coming out of the end, with 2-inch to catch another lavatory for the other restroom. And that's about it.